Hey guys, Portia here. Today we'll be sublimating on dark fabrics with Sublimation HTV. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do it. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's the image we're going to be using in our project today. My son is a huge fan of the Bloodline from WWE, and this graphic tee will be for him. Now we will be using the print then cut feature, and the first thing I want to do is size this to as big as I can get it. So I am going to move this out until we get the little uh-oh symbol here, and we're going to click on here. Now right now this is size for letter paper, and I don't want it on letter. I want it a bit bigger than that, so I want to change this to legal. I'm going to hit done here, and then once I go back up here, I want to auto resize this. So what it did was it made it as big as it could for legal, which is approximately 7.43 by 8.81, and that is perfect. Now let me minimize it so you guys can see everything. What I want to do here is come back and say duplicate, and we are going to change the second image to basic, because this is actually going to be our cut image. So this one is going to be cut on the specialty HTV, and this is actually going to be printed on our sublimation paper. So what I'm going to do, guys, is go ahead and print and then cut, and then when we come back from there, we'll move forward. We are all printed and cut, guys, and I want to give you a couple of notes. When you are working with the Sublimation HTV for dark fabric, you want to make sure that you cut shiny side down, so don't forget to mirror, especially if you got words going on in there. I did put the cut pressure on default, so that's something you don't have to worry about. But the material, I did not pick regular iron on. I did pick flock iron on because this material is just a little bit thicker than regular HTV. All right, guys, let's go ahead and move on over to the press. Alright guys, so today I'm using my Ricoma 16 by 20 press to get our image onto our shirt. There will be a link in the description to this particular press along with a discount if you are interested. So guys, this very first press is not going to be for long. All we want to do is really tack down the image itself. So I have my press set to 302 degrees, and we are going to go with heavy pressure for only 5 seconds. All right, this is a cool peel, so we're gonna let this cool down before we move on to our sublimation. All right guys, so we are now cool to the touch, so we're gonna go ahead and peel. And one thing I'm already recognizing is this is stretching like really well, this HTV, and it's on a muscle shirt. My son is 17, he think he got some muscles now, so y'all see ain't no sleeves on it. He think he want to show those off, so I guess. All right guys, let's move on to sublimation. I have already heated my press up to 385, and this press is going to be for 45 seconds. All right guys, did tape it down with a little bit of heat resistant tape. Once again, 385, 45 seconds, firm pressure. All right guys, let's take it over to the work table. Woo, and see what we got. All right guys, we are all done. I love how we got the fade out in our design there on both sides, and it looks like the logo for the Bloodline. Alright guys, this is all I have for you today. I just want to share with you all my experience sublimating with the dark fabric HTV, and I have to say, quite an easy process. If you had any questions or concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found the video helpful or just plain old entertaining, could you give it a thumbs up? But guys, as always, until next time, peace.